We are well aware that if we want to keep this growth momentum and even increase it, and to remain the world leader in wind energy, we have to secure a favorable framework for the development of wind energy in the European Union. Christian mentioned the climate and energy package that was adopted by the Commission in January, and it is a very important step towards providing this framework. The package proposals aim to strike a balance between ambitious climate targets and the competitiveness of European industries. It sets predictable long-term objectives for governments and industry. The year 2020 commitments are an essential step on the road to our goal to reduce global emissions by at least 50% below 1990 levels by 2050. Nothing less will do if we are to limit the global warming to 2 degrees centigrade above pre-industrial levels. This objective is the basic driver of the community's policies. After the Bali Conference on Climate Change last year, we must now advance on the agreed agenda to combat climate change on all fronts. And it's very important to recognize that renewable energy provides for answers not only until year 2020, where we have a clear objective of 20% in final energy consumption, but gives us a ground to move forward after year 2020.